offspring to get me going in the morning. It's like 7. We're heading down to get the Mustang. Run down, meet the guys at the truck to get the thing over to the Sema booth. All right, fun. We're gonna drop off some of Alan Taylor's equipment. Basically, he's doing a live broadcast out of the Hypertech booth, so we had to run back and drop off a bunch of his stuff before we could drop off our car. So we're here and we're gonna drop some stuff off. I don't have a mask on. Well, we're here inside. Waiting in line. Load here somewhere. It's gonna last 20 minutes in line, 30 minutes in line. Theater, what year?
2019, this is the guy you're talking to.
Oh, 2019?
What's that?
Hey, I was checking that thing out. We got the Mustang.
Yeah.
I'm red. Yeah, I know, dude.
I'm James, by the way.
James, nice to meet you.
I'm the fabricator on that thing.
Oh, nice. On the fabricator.
nice.
It is.
Sick.
Yeah, thing's
right there.
That thing's cool.
Yeah, it's a 2020 base model Gladiator.
Thanks.
She lays on the ground. There's not much.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if the credit card's going to fit underneath it. Probably not, but
perfect.
it's down there.
I'm an old mini trucker. I appreciate that.
Yeah, that's what I am. I'm a mini trucker, right?
Yeah.
So,
Our turd. Red Fab Custom. And we're parked. Kind of pissed they kind of crammed us in here, but at least we're here and hopefully we don't get all scratched to shit. Everybody's kind of complaining about it being too close together, but maybe nobody's looking. We'll have this guy come out a little bit or something. I hope so. Kind of weird that they put us in the 4-wheel drive section, which doesn't really make sense, but I guess that's things not 4-wheel drive. And maybe we'll see.
Taking off?
Yeah, go get our badges. Finally, that was a hell of a walk. Hope we get our shit straightened out now. That wasn't it. Okay, on to the next booth. Finally get to ride a Tesla.
You ever been in one?
That's one of like the Tesla
Dude,
tunnels?
we're just gonna ride back.
Is it supposed to be one of the Tesla tunnels or just a tunnel?
Yeah, no, it's a Tesla tunnel. So the Boring Company has just specific Teslas for these tunnels.
Whoa. Yeah, I seen them talking about it like, you know, like a year ago or a couple years ago when they did one in LA or something, but
Yeah, I think actually Ellie's one is was approved or after this one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so this one already existed. They're ready to drive themselves. It's just I think under some kind of transportation rules, we're not able to turn them on yet. But hopefully soon.
That was fun. Who would have thought in Vegas they'd have that up and going already? That's what's crazy. And just like that, we're on the other side. 2 minutes. Who would have known? Oh. Okay, back to park the truck at the hotel. Go in there and relax for a minute, and then I go back down there. So yeah, I've never been on the monorail. Oh, fuck, I think that was quick. Hey, they didn't open it up. Hey, what the hell? Oh, there it goes. This is like a grassy area. Okay, more walking. Bit of a walk around, showing off some of the stuff they got while we're setting up on. Everybody's setting up on Monday. Or west, yeah. I'll jump back into the new Vegas loop here, underneath all this, and take another ride through the Tesla tunnel. Because why not? All right, it's gotten dark, just about ready to get out of here, about 6 o'clock. Monday, come back tomorrow, the actual show will start, so jump on the monorail and then head back to the rooms, and I'll probably gonna crash out because it's been a long couple of days, but hell of a turnout. Pretty excited. Hopefully we'll do well. Battle of the Builders, cars outside. I'm a judge it. They're supposed to be doing it tonight, so that kind of sucks, but we'll see what happens. I'm optimistic, fingers crossed, and oh, there's Ted. Okay, talk to you guys later.